म्हापशा जाल्ल्या एका भिरांकूळ अपघातात मध्य प्रदेश जबलापूर वाठारांतल्या 25 वर्साच्या तरणाट्याक ब्रेन डेड जावन मरण आयिल्ले. उपरांत ताचे बायलेन घोवाचे अवयव दान करपाचो निर्णय घेतिल्लो. ह्या तरणाट्यान केल्ल्या अवयव दानाक लागून वट्ट 5 जाणांचो जीव वाटावलो. ताच्यो किडन्यो गोंयांतल्या 2 बायलांक घातल्यो. काळीज मुंबयच्या एका दादल्याक, लिव्हर अहमदाबादांतल्या एका दुयेत्याक, जाल्यार फुफ्फुस दिल्लीच्या एका मनशाक घातले.
A hero who has donated 5 organs. Yesterday in the night he got the second apnea test positive, and at that time a 25-year-old youth who had a head injury, we just asked the family was initially reluctant because when there is a grief it is very difficult to take these decisions, but they could rise above their emotional feelings, and late in the night they have agreed to donate the organs. He is a 25-year-old native of Madhya Pradesh. He has donated heart, lungs, liver and 2 kidneys. The kidneys have come to Goa Medical College for 2 waitlist patients, both female patients. The first kidney transplant is going on in our OT, and the heart, lung and the liver has gone to Roto and Noto. So everything right from the consent to the retrieval of organs, green corridor. I must thank every one of you. Because of you we could do this program today of donation flawlessly.
A case that is being handled by Goa Medical College. I would like to thank Jagruti ji, because if not for her, this would have not happened. Because you need to have that type of mindset, you need to be having that type of courage actually to agree to such a thing. And it's not something that is simple. Though we talk about it, we discuss it, we educate and counsel people, but I think it is because of her courage. And it was a really unfortunate incident that took place, which was a hit and run accident, and due to which we are here today, and she has agreed, and she has actually agreed to donate the organs of her husband, which already today I would like to also, I'm grateful to her, because of her so many other people are getting saved, and tomorrow somebody is getting a lease of life. Like doctor just mentioned that both the kidneys are being utilized in Goa Medical College. Heart has been allotted to HN Reliance Hospital in Mumbai. Then the liver is also going to play a life-saving role in somebody else's life in Zydus Hospital, Ahmedabad. And Noto allocated the lungs to Apollo Indraprasth Hospital in Delhi. 3 green corridors were created, and I'm grateful to the Goa Police and to 108, because it is because of them we are able to facilitate and make use of this green corridor that was facilitated to us by the Goa Police, who has helped us take these the heart and liver from GMC to Mopa and lungs from GMC to Dabolim.
गोंय येरादारी पुलिशेन जीएमसीच्या 3 अँब्युलन्सिंक विमानतळाचेर वेळार पावपाक मंगळारा रस्तो मेकळो करून दिल्लो. राज्या भायल्या दुयेंतींक अवयव दिवपा खातीर वचपी ह्या अँब्युलन्सिंक 2 ग्रीन कॉरिडॉर म्हळ्यार मोपा आनी दाबोळे विमानतळार वचपी रस्ते मेकळे करून दिल्ले. ह्यो अँब्युलन्सी बेगीन पावच्यो म्हूण येरादारी पुलिशेन कांय वेळा खातीर कांय वाठारांत येरादारी आडयल्ली, अशी माहिती येरादारी पुलीस उप अधीक्षक प्रबोध शिरवयकर हांणी दिली.
आज जीएमसींतल्यान आमकां काल रिक्वेस्ट आयिल्ली की एक डोनरान आपले ऑर्गन डोनेट केल्यात आनी ते डिफरंट लोकेशनार वतले. म्हणजे त्या प्रमाणे आमी आज ट्रॅफिक अरेंजमेंट केल्लो. हे जे ऑर्गन आसा म्हणजे हार्ट, किडनी जावं कितें आसा ते ऑर्गन जीएमसींतल्यान एअरपोर्टार पावोवपाचे आशिल्ले. सो ताका लागून एक अशी आसता SOP की ग्रीन कॉरिडॉर तांकां फ्री पॅसेज दिवपाची. सो आज आमी ट्रॅफिकान अरेंजमेंट करून तांकां ग्रीन कॉरिडॉर म्हणजे ग्रीन क्लियर पॅसेज दिली. म्हणजे पयलीं 2 एम्ब्युलन्सी ते ऑर्गन घेवन मोपा एअरपोर्टार गेले आनी एक दाबोली एअरपोर्टार गेले. सो आमी तांकां ग्रीन कॉरिडॉर क्लियर पॅसेज दिली ट्रॅफिकाची, आनी आमचे सगळे ऑफिसर इन फील्ड आशिल्ले. फाटले हेतू कितें लायफ सेवींग हें आसा की ऑर्गन कोणा टायमार पावचो आनी तो ताका उपयोग पडचो. आमकां जीएमसी कडच्यान तशी रिक्वेस्ट आयली की ट्रान्सपोर्ट जावपाचें आसा, ताका लागून आमी अरेंजमेंट केल्लो. ते सकाळी पयलीं 9:25 असं स्टार्ट जाल्या त्यो 3 एम्बुलन्स गेली, 2 मोपा गेली हांगा सादर आनी एक GMC गेली.
ओके.
सो ते सुटले त्या प्रमाणे जेन्ना तांचो मुवमेंट आसता तेन्ना आमी मातशें तांकां क्लियर पॅसेज दिवपाक ट्रॅफीक सायडी काडला जावं जंक्शन मेन आसता थंय मातशें थांबोवची पडला इतलें.
ओके.
सो हाजो फाटल्यान हेतू एक आशिल्लो की लायफ सेवींग हे आशिल्ले कारणान तो ऑर्गन रायट टायमार पावचो आनी ज्या कोणा मनशाक गरज आसा ताका ताजो उपयोग जावचो.
खंय अशें तुमकां मेजर अशें
खंय गेल्या ते खबर ना, पण आमी मोपा एअरपोर्टार पर्यंत आमी तांकां क्लियर पॅसेज दिल्या.
ट्रॅफिक सर टील मोपा एअरपोर्ट
टील मोपा, GMC टील मोपा आनी GMC टील दाबोली एअरपोर्ट.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.